In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix if your Free Fire app is crashing continuously. So to fix this, we need to follow these methods. Method 1. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes the problem is related to internet. If you're using Wi-Fi, then check your Wi-Fi is working properly or not. Or if you're using data, then check your data is working properly or not. Method 2. Clear cache. Go to settings. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search for Free Fire. Tap on force stop. Click OK. Go to storage. Click on clear cache. Go back. Go to permissions and enable all the necessary permissions. And make sure this manage app if unused is toggle off. Sometimes this is the reason for the error. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then tap on mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. Go back. Tap on battery and select unrestricted. Sometimes this will also the reason for error. Method 3. Update Free Fire. Go to Play Store. Search for Free Fire and check if there is any update or not. If there is any update, update your Free Fire app. Method 4. Sometimes the problem is related to server, so you can't do anything to solve that. So you just need to wait for 4 to 5 hours and your problem will definitely be solved. Method 5. Sometimes problem is related to your device, so simply restart your device. Long press on power button. Click on restart and restart your device. After doing all this, your problem will definitely be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.